What's up, YouTube fam? Swaggy T here, giving you guys another sneaker unboxing for today. I just want to say, I've been consistent. Let's go ahead and just clap it up real quick. Unboxing today. Shouts out to sneakers and stuff again. They were having a sale for their 25th anniversary, so I was able to get these at a reduced price. These shoes actually from last year became a thing because these were being called Nike's most comfortable shoe for a good bit. These were on my list last year, but I never got around to getting them, so I finally got the pair I was able to get, mainly because the sizes would sell out quick. So let's go ahead and unbox them. God damn. Okay, so they like made sure this bitch was secure. Damn, I don't have no knife. I think I can get it though. Holy fuck, y'all, one second. Fuck. So I had to open these. I had to open the box off camera because that shit was just, oof, yeah, they went to work. Like, they didn't want nobody to get in that bitch. Anyways, we have the Nike Zoom Vomero 5. Be sure to go true to size with these. I've been hearing that these are very, very comfortable. Alright, so here they, oh, okay. Dang, hold on. I just put my I just put my fingers in. No did it. I just
You know, no didn't. Type shit.
The padding on the inside is crazy. Oh my god, bro. The Vomero Zoom 5 or Nike Zoom Vomero 5. Yes, sir. My first initial thoughts is the shoe is light. The padding is good. It's a lot of mesh running throughout the shoe for the breathability. That Zoom cushion. Yeah, it's a good bit of padding down here. So that Zoom cushion right down here, pretty solid, pretty sturdy. It's a lot of mesh. Let me show y'all. It's a lot of mesh running throughout the shoe. Like, it's crazy. And this cage right here is very soft. I don't know why. From like pictures and videos, I was just thinking it was gonna be something hard. Pause. No diddy. Why I keep doing this to myself? I thought it was gonna be something tough. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be something tough, but it's not. Like, it's soft, very flexible, and you got that Nike swoosh right there on your side panels, and on the back the Nike swoosh as well. And you got the Nike Vomero 5 on the tongue and white laces. You don't get an extra pair of laces, which is cool. I think it's 3M as well. I think this shoe has 3M throughout the shoe. Let's go ahead and get into this on feet. And before we get into the on feet, I know you guys looking at the hoodie. Yeah, this is the Palace Gap hoodie that just dropped. Hopefully y'all can see the gap on the back. I just want to say, it's still some hoodies up on Gap's website if you guys want to, you know, try to cop one. I'm gonna throw y'all that oop, but make sure don't go true to size, go up a size, because normally, I don't know, I'm kind of weird because I'm in between a medium and a large, but I got this in a medium, and when I do this, y'all see that? You see that? And this is a medium, so I should have got a large, but I mean, I'm fine because the hood is pretty good and whatnot, and it fits, and you really can't tell unless I like go like that. But I mean, overall it's fine. But if you want like the hoodie to be snug on you, then yeah, go true to size. But if you want, you know, more of an oversized look, and if you don't like pulling your sleeves like this, yeah, then go up a size. So I just wanted to throw that tip out there too for you guys.